You've designed this awesome looking fierce post and you want to share it on different platforms. You want to be effective, you don't want to waste time. So there's two ways that you can do it. First option is to resize, and this functionality is available for Pro version users on Canva. So you open up your post like this and you're going to click on the resize button, and the options that are available will be displayed. So you could either choose Instagram stories or Twitter or whatever social media platform you can think of is available, even brochures, business cards, etc. So you can also customize it if you would like your own width and height to whichever size that you want. So, but it's just easy to use what Canva has created for us. We would like to resize it into an Instagram post and a Twitter post. So you just tick the two options that you want, or whatever options that you decide, and then you could either copy and resize. If you've chosen only one option, you could just resize the actual design that you've made, but then you would lose the original sizes that you've designed initially. So if you resize, it resizes the actual post that you've made. If you copy and resize, it would keep the copy for you and create a brand new resized copy for you. So what I would like to show you is Instagram story and Twitter. Then you say copy and resize, and then what Canva then does, it would create a resized copy of the Instagram story and a resized copy of a Twitter post. So that is the easiest option when you're using the Canva Pro. If you want to check it out and try it, by all means, go to the description below and go test it for 30 days. It is awesome, and have fun with it. But if you want to keep it real, you're struggling, you're like me when I started 2 years ago, it is possible. It just takes a little bit more work than the Pro version, but it is doable. So with your initial post, you would then go and create a new post, a blank one, and then transfer the elements to your new post. So I'm going to show you on Instagram story, but the same principle will be applicable on any other post. So we are going to create a new design, and then we're going to create an Instagram story design, and we would get a blank canvas where we could then transfer our original post to this one. So I'm just going to click on the canvas itself, change color and make it black, and then go to my initial post and then transfer the information from here to the post that we've created. So you could either Control A or select all like I just did, and then you could Control C or Command C if you're on a Mac, and then move to your Instagram post and Control V or paste the information there. And there you go. The elements are transferred to your Instagram post. Then all you do is you just resize it and tweak it so that it suits the design of Instagram story. And that's it. So that is how you resize on a free version, and you saw how you resize on a Pro version. So I'll see you on the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe or to smash the like button, and subscribe if I'm adding value to your design world. I'll see you on the next video.